welcome to part 2 of nail art designs. And in this one we're going to do a little, what is it, water marble. So I figured I would try it with just polish and then also with the acrylic paint. So with the polishes we have Lime Mojito, what's this one, Kiss Me. This is also LA Colors. This is Ruby Kisses. This is just the base coat. This is French White. This is Wet n Wild, Black Cream, Cardinal Crimson, Nutmeg Brown. This is by NK Makeup. I don't know if this is cayenne, cyan, but it's a pretty blue. We have like a little yellow. This is Showstopper by Pure Ice. Got this from Dollar Tree. And over here we just have our nail props. And you're going to need like a sharp object, so it's up to you on what you use, but I have some cuticle pushers and 2 Q-tips. So guys, let's get started. And these little bowls, these are from Dollar Tree. And some room temperature water. Now room temperature, basically I had a water bottle that I had from last night because, you know, during the night I need a water on my nightstand because I get a little parched. So this is last night's water. Nothing's wrong with it, it's just room temperature. So basically we're going to do 5 colors for this one. And you want to get drops into the water, move it around a little bit, and then put another drop. And it really doesn't matter in what order you go, it's just your preference. And basically it's kind of going to expand, even if you have to shake the water up a little bit. And it's up to you how many colors you want to use. And maybe if you want to use some on the side also to give you like a psychedelic type of tie-dye situation going on. And that was my mistake. You don't want to dip the actual paintbrush in there. And this one you kind of want to move a little fast because it does dry. Then you want to take the side of the cuticle pusher, and you see how it dries up. You got to be careful. And there's not a right or wrong way to do this. And we're going to take this nail and just dip it. You want to take your Q-tip and kind of like loosen up the dry parts. And it does get a little messy, but that's what our acetone polish is for. Yeah, this ain't trying to come off. Then you would just basically go around the cuticle and clean up. But that's the marble one. And that is pretty. Yeah, let me move this before I spill it. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. And then you would just go around here, clean it up. I've seen some videos where they actually place tape around the cuticle area, so when you bring the nail up, basically you just take the tape off and then the residue is left on the tape. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, that is pretty. Very pretty. So that's that one. So we're just going to leave that one right there. Have another one. And see, that one I use 5 colors, and that's with polish. So I want to see, will the same work for acrylic paint? You know, it's all paint basically. But I want to see myself if it's going to work. So we're just going to... And there we have it. It's not. It's too heavy. So guys, I tried it for us. I took one for the team and it does not work. It's too heavy. It sank to the bottom. Yeah. So guys, do not try to use the acrylic paint that we do the designs because it's not going to work. But I want to try this again. So while that's floating, it's not going to do anything. It's at the bottom, so I want to try this again. And let's just try 2 colors. If we can get the polish out. I know y'all, I be using my polish until it's gone. Then if it's a little bit still in there, I add my acetone, shake it on up. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Don't want to use another color. Let's try using 3. So yeah, when it comes to polish, I will use it until it's bone dry. Even when it's like a little separated, you can kind of bring it back to life. Don't be scared to put that acetone in. Don't put too much acetone, but just enough. Shake it up and baby, you got your polish. See, as you can see, it dries very quickly, so you gotta move a little fast. That one broke, so we're not gonna do that one. Let's try this one. Let me get my Q-tip ready. You basically wanna, the little bubble that it makes, basically get that away from the nail so it doesn't stick to the nail. Oh, and even if it sticks to the nail, just take the Q-tip and kind of rub it on there just a little bit. And here's this one. And this is pretty too. I'm gonna move this out the way before I make a mess. So we have these two. And that's your water marble. And remember guys, we have to move a little fast when we do the water marble because it kind of dries. But I don't know if you guys can see this. But yeah, and shout out to my subscriber that recommended for me to do this. You are the GOAT for real. Like, I didn't even know nothing about this. So shout out to my subscriber. You are the one, because here we go. Something new under our belt, guys. There you go. So I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.